Hello Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I am going to start the first of two parts of showing three-dimensional orthographic line drawings like this and this. They're especially useful when trying to draw details for our roofs. Let's get started with the first. To this week, I'm going to show you this ladder detail that I proposed on the end of a rake. We're extending roofs out from where they're at today. So what I'm doing here, I've drawn in CAD lines where I want them to be. I'm going to draw a rafter here over these lines. And here. Since they are in orthographic view, it doesn't matter super much. We're just going to tell it where we're going to assume that it's the dimensions we want it to be. It's for a diagram only. I'm going to turn off. There we go. That'll help clear things up a little bit. Now, I did find when I drew this and did a multiple copy, it did not follow the pitch of the roof. So just drawing one at a time, I figured would be okay for this purpose. And draw like that. Now, last bit, I will select these middle pieces, the rungs of the ladder, if you will, and open those and make those 3.5 depth. Make the sides, we called it 5.5 because 2x6. And I am going to create an orthographic view of a framing overview. Now, in the framing overview, I've turned off all of the layers except for the framing layers. And there is, you could send this to layout, but I cannot annotate it. So I'm going to take this and turn that into a three-dimensional CAD detail from view. You can do that from this icon on your toolbar, if that's where your icons are, or you can go to CAD and CAD detail from view. Now I've already done that and noted it here. I added the nails that I wanted, and then this dimension is not actually a dimension. I drew a couple of lines on the dimension tool, or dimension layer. Let's go to my CAD, and I'm in dimensions manual, that's fine. I want these lines to be the same orthographic projection as this 2x6. So I'm going to draw a line, hit F10 so I'm not, you see that icon here, so I'm not in angle snaps. And I'm just going to draw a line from point A to point B, really, on the 2x6. And then point to point move that to the end of the 2x6 and give it a little gap. So I'm going to click here on the 2x6 and at the corner of the 2x6. And there's one part of the dimension. Now I can just take this and copy point to point from this corner of the 2x6 to that corner of the 2x6. And there's that end of the dimension. Then I drew a line from here to here on these 2x6s. And select that line again. Oh, come on. There we go. Point to point move that out here. Give it arrows on both ends and a dimension and a text. And that's my dimension line. From here, this one's actually pretty easy. So that's why I chose this to do this. Chose this one to do this detail to do the first week. Send it at scale. I chose 1-inch scale to the layout. Really, it's as a detail like this, I probably should have called it not to scale, but it's at 1-inch scale on the plan. I hope this has been helpful. It was fun for me to do on this plan. Tune in next week and we will look at this one, this detail. This one takes a little extra work and a little extra thought. If you've learned something new or enjoyed these videos, I would appreciate the encouragement of a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well so that you get notified each week of these videos as I release them. Also, check out my website right there, designbuildsolutionsllc.com, for more information on how to contact me, services I can offer you. Otherwise, have a great week. See you next time.